This is the main thing. Yeah. Any doubt you will ask me in end of the section. It's okay. So okay, this is the main screen for our Revit software, right? You entering into the Revit software, any software, the first step is a setting on units, right? The first step is a setting on unit. How to set the units in our Revit software? The simple. You go for first step is a setting on units. Simply go to manage, okay? Then go to settings, then go to project units, right? Then go to project units. This is the basic step for creating of the units, like simply go to manage setting project units, right? Then go to first one is a length, area, volume, angle, slope, currency, right? The what purpose the area is a creating of a plan, etc., right? The what purpose the area given, volume given, angle, slope, currency, anyone? In what purpose the Revit have currency, volume, some others? For what purpose? Simple. Area length means you create the plan section elevation, right? Area means you calculate the schedule and quantities. Simply you calculated the tiles area. Simply room size is a 10 by 10. Is 10 by 10 into meter square, right? You simply calculated the tiles area, and the volume means simply calculated the I need the 5 meter cube of concrete. I will tell tomorrow class, right? How to calculate the estimation and quantity also, right? That purpose, this also find it, right? Area, volume, angle, slope, currency, calculated the schedule and quantities, right? Okay. First step, how to change the unit means simply go to length, click this length, right? Then go to change the unit. I simply change into feet, right? Feet and inches. Simply click this feet and inches. Okay, right? Click okay, right? This is my first step, right? First step is a setting on unit. I will simply set the unit, right? The second step is a I simply create the one plan, right? Simply create what purpose, how to create the grid lines in our plan, right? I simply create the one plan. Simply go to architecture, go to wall, right? Go to wall. I change the wall thickness, right? Wall thickness means simply go to 9 inch. Already known about architecture, right? I simply change the 9 inch, right? 9 inch. Okay, fine. I created the wall thickness 9. I simply created the rooms. I simply created a 10 by 10 room, right? I simply created the one room, one plan, right? 10 by 10 rooms or something rooms, right? Simply go to wall, right? Simply go to wall. I have one 16 feet room, right? 16 feet into 10 feet, right? This is a 10 feet. This also I need 10 feet, right? Yeah, 10 by 10. I need 10 by 10. Simply create it, create this, right? Yeah, now itself we created the 10 by 10 room. I need another one room, 16 by 10. Simple. I need a 16 feet, right? 16 feet. Then I need a 10 feet, right? 10 feet. Simple. I create another whole room. Simply go to 16 feet, right? 16 feet. Then go to total distance, right? I simply go to total distance. This is automatic. Sorry. This automatically 26 feet, right? Assume as a is a one room, right? One plan, one single room, one 16 by 10 and 16 by 26 is room is there. How to create the grid lines for your building? Grid lines means center to center dimension. It's a basic things for your structural design. This is the first step. You go to any structural design like a STAD or ATABS, you well known about the grid line data, right? There is a center to center spacing for your buildings. That is the main reason, right? I put this column in this corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns, right? In this building I put the 8 columns. Then how to calculate the center to center distance? You will go for any softwares or any manual. Do not take this end to end distance. This is totally wrong. You go for center to center distance. That is the correct one, right? You go for practically construction field or any, you take the center to center distance, right? This is the correct manner. Okay, then how to calculate the center to center grid lines? Simple. Simply go to architecture, go to build, right? Sorry, dutium, dutium, go to grid, right? Click this grid. Simply click this grid. The grid is so many types are there. One is a rectangle, another one is a start end radius, another one is a pick line, right? I simply go to draw line grid, right? I need this. Simply click this, automatically take the center distance. I simply created the first grid, right? See this, automatically I need the second grade. See this, automatically. Then third grade, right? Third grade. This is the x direction. This is our x direction. This is our z direction. How to increase this grid lines? Simply click this. Sorry. Simply click this grid line. Then extend this line, right? See this. Automatically extend this line. Then I completed the x direction. Then how to create the grid lines in z direction? Simply go for same architecture, medium grid, right? Grid. I need the center dimension. Simply click this. Automatically it's take the center, right? Automatically I need this also column. I need this column, right? This also I need this grid line, right? Then this also I take this grid line. Now let's see, automatically it will create the two direction, right? I increase this line also. See this, automatically I will create the grid lines in x direction and y direction. It's a, some rules is there. You will create the grid line in 1 2 3, the opposite direction a b c. The what purpose it will be created, that means I after I tell you. Okay, sometimes you will create the 1 2 3, this direction you provide the abc, right? How to create the abc? Simply double click this box, right? Click this in your keypad, a, right? Double click B, right? Then C, right? See this, automatically simply created this. One is a one already in this diagram already known that, right? There's so many books and construction area. The first key plan is this grid line plan, right? You go to any construction or site or this is first, this name is a key plan, grid line marking. You go to AutoCAD is some difficult to make the this type of planning, right? You go for Revit, it simply make it just a minute, right? I take this grid line 1 2 3 and C A B C, right? Okay, fine. Then how to create the center to center dimension? You all are working stat pro, right? The x y z direction, x 0 comma 0 comma 0. The zero distance is a, yeah, the step I already recorded in this section. I will put the YouTube link also. You will see that, right? Is the section is recording. I will end of the section also. I repeat this. So okay, simply go to, so okay, I once again I tell you simple. First of all, you simply create this, right? Simply go to architecture, build, Lutium, then go to grid line, right? Simply go to grid line, simply click this center to center. See this, automatically you will create this, right? See this, automatically you will create this, right? Then you change it. This is a B C D, right? A. Then this is a B, right? This is a C, right? This is a grid line pattern, right? This is a simple way to creating in your software, right? Revit software. Then next one, second step is a how to create the center to center dimension, right? How to create the center to center dimension? Simple. Simply go to annotate, right? Simply go to annotate, then go to dimensions, right? Simply go to annotate, then go to dimensions, then go to dimensions, click this aligned, right? Then go to this is some name is there, right? The wall center line method is there. I click this wall faces, I change into wall faces, right? Simply go to annotate, then go to dimension, then align, then go to change the wall faces, right? Then go to wall faces, then create the center to center dimension. See this, now it's see automatically created the center to center dimensions. This point is the start in start from is 0 comma 0 comma 0. My next point is a 10 feet 9 inches. Next center to center means next center to distance is 16 feet 9 inches, right? Now understand how to create the center to center dimension. The x direction is over, then how to create z direction? Same, click this. My z direction is a 10 feet 9 inches, then this one is a 16 feet 9 inches. This is my column marking for my center to center dimension, right? Now understand how to create the grid line marking and center line marking. Grid line marking means simply go to architecture, go to build, simply go for UTM, then go to grid. Simply you need, I need this column, right? Simply click this. Now it's automatically it will be created your grid line, right? I this place I need the secondary beam. I simply created this grid line. Okay, how to calculate the spacing? Simply go to annotate, dimensions, aligned, right? Click this. This is a center to center distance 9 feet 4.5 inch, right? This is our center to center distance, right? Now understand how to calculate the center to center distance, right? This is the basic method for creating of the grid lines, right? This is the basic method for creating of the grid lines in Revit, right? Okay, the first step is over. The creating of the grid line, right? Next step is a how to mark the columns in your plan, right? Second step is a how to mark the columns in your plans. Simply go for level 1, right? Level 1, I mark this column for this place. I simply calculated I need a 9 inch by 9 inch column. How to mark this 9 inch by 9 inch column? Simply go for structure, right? The first one is the beam, wall, column, floor, slab, foundation. All of us there. First, I need the columns, right? I need a structural concrete column, right? Structural concrete column. Simply go for structure, right? Then go to click this column, concrete column, right? Click this column. Already have steel column is there. How to convert this concrete column? Simply go for properties, right? Simply go for properties, then go to type of properties, then go to already only steel column is there. Then how to insert into concrete column? Simply go for load option in library. I have a library in concrete column is there, right? I simply go for library, then go to structural columns, right? So concrete column, right? Concrete column, then I need a rectangular column, right? I simply click this rectangular column, open, right? Is updating, library is updating in Revit. Simply going to my library, insert my rectangular column, right? Yeah, now itself automatically rectangular column is inserted in my Revit, right? Then how to find the size for your column? The inbuilt 1 feet into depth is 1 feet 9 inch. I need 9 inch by 9 inch column is okay. I simply click this 9 inch, right? I simply click this 9 inch and 9 inch, right? You okay, right? Simply click this, automatically my column is 9 inch. See this, automatically concrete column is visible, right? Click this center, automatically it's formed into 9 inch by 9 inch, right? Then I need this place also, right? Click this center, see this, then this also, right? Center, click this, then this also, right? Center, click this place, right? Then this place, right? I need this center to center columns, right? Click this place and this center to center, right? Yeah, now itself I fixed the all columns for my all corners. How to see the 3D view in the concrete columns, right? How to see the 3D views in the concrete columns? Simply go for view, then go to create 3D, right? Then go to create 3D. Oh, it's automatically the concrete column is there, right? Then I deleted my walls also, right? I deleted my walls. Okay, fine. Yeah. Now it's automatically our concrete columns are below the ground level, right? For example, your column size is 10 feet, but you calculated below in the ground level also, right? Below in the ground level means ground level to below the footing means you call it columns come from the height on 7 feet or 6 feet, right? Okay, fine. Now it says automatically this is a ground level below of the column, right? How to check the levels, right? How to check the levels means simply go for east view, right? East view. See this east view. This is our level, right? Level 1, I change the height of 10 feet, right? 10 feet. See this. Automatically my building height is a 10 feet. My ground level is a, I simply go for my ground level height is a minus 10 feet, right? See this. Yeah, minus 10 feet. Then go to same level. All of us simply click this, you change the all the columns are 10 feet, right? Below the ground level 10 feet my columns, right? Simply go to properties, then go to minus 10. Below the ground level you put the minus 10, right? Minus 10. This automatically our basement level is there. This is a starting level. Ground level means starting the PCC level. How to create this level from PCC? This is a level. You increase the level means click this and increase. How to downwards to the level? Simply click this, then go to create similar, then go to offset, right? Minus 10 feet, right? Below the ground level, right? Minus 10 feet, minus 10 feet, right? Then go to draw pick lines, right? Then click this. Now it's see automatically the level will be created, right? How to change this my below ground level? Simply double click, you change your name, right? Below ground level, right? You change the name also, your first floor, second floor, third floor, any floors, right? I simply created this. This is automatically below ground level. Click this. This automatically our column points are visible, right? You go to level 1, the only grid lines are visible. Why? The ground level, the column is starting from this, right? Based on your level setting, right? Based on your level setting, the ground level, the automatically your column level is visible. This is a level 1. I increase the column height, automatically visible in level 1 also, right? This simply go to properties, then I change the height of the column, right? Top offset 10 feet, right? Apply. Okay, right? Then go to level 1. See this, automatically it will be visible, right? Now understand how to visible based on the level condition. It's a column position and beam position are visible in the Revit, right? Now understand. Then go to 3D. This automatically it's visible, right? Some of us have, okay. First step is over. Simply I will be created the concrete columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 columns is there, right? Then how to create the footing for these columns? Then how to create the footing, normal spread footing, right? Normals, how to create the normal spread footing for these columns, right? How to create the normal spread footings? Simply go for structure, then go to foundation, right? Then go to foundation, go to isolated structural foundation, right? Simply click this. I have no foundation, it's in my library. Simply yes, simply go to my library, right? Simply go to my library, structural foundation, right? Go to foundation rectangular, right? Foundation rectangular, simply open, right? Simply open it. Let's see. Automatically it will be visible, right? Automatically it will be visible. Simply click this, then go to view 3D. This automatically the position will be visible. Then how to fix the current view, right? Simply go to side view, right? Click this side view, right? Side views all are visible. Our grid lines, our column marking, all are visible. Then go to architecture, sorry, structural. Then go to foundation isolator, right? This is our pedestal size, right? I need a pedestal 1 by 1. My thickness of the column is a 1 feet, right? 1 feet is 300 mm. Simply go to properties, type of properties. I change my footing size is a 2 feet by 2 feet, right? My thickness of the footing is 1 feet. Okay, now it's see automatically the size will be reduced. Click this first one, then second one, right? Third one, you will be change the another footing sizes also, right? This automatically it will be created the footing also, right? Then how to see the 3D view? Simply go to view 3D view. Now it's see automatic, sir. Now it's see automatically it will be created the footing size also, then column also, right? Then created the footing also, column also, then footing and column. Then how to create the grade beams, right? First step I will completed the footing and column, right? Then how to create the grade beams, connecting beams and main beams, right? Simply go for site, right? Simply go for how to create the grade beams and other beams, right? Right, simply go for site. Then I created the grade beams, right? Simply go for structure, then go to beams, right? Already have steel beam only, I need a concrete beam, right? I need a concrete beam. Simply go for load, then go to library, then go to structural connections, right? Structural connections, sorry, structural framing, right? Structural framing concrete. This is our concrete beam, right? This is our concrete beam. Simply open, right? This is our concrete beam size. I need a one H is a depth. I need a 1 feet depth and 9-inch width, right? 9-inch width. Click OK, right? Then how to draw the grade beams in center to center? Is all shapes are there, arc shapes, ellipse shapes, all of other. Simply go for line, simply click this, right? I join this to this, yeah. Then this to this, right? Then this to this, then this to this, then this to this, then this to this, and this to this, and this to this, right? Then this to this, right? Okay. Now let's see. Sorry, this one is there. Simply go to structure, beam, then create the beams, right? Now let's see. Automatically, this one beam is there. Structure, beam, right? This is automatically it will be connected. Then connect it, right? Now let's see. Automatically it will be connected. Simply go to view 3D. Now let's see. It will be top of the roof level, right? I need the grade beam. How to reduce the height? Simply click this, right? Simply click this, go to properties, right? Simply go to properties. The start offset. Start offset is a minus 10 feet, right? Minus 10 feet. The end level offset, right? Minus 10 feet. Apply. See this. Automatically it go to reduced. This 1 feet is there, right? Automatically is the 1 feet is there. I simply go for minus 9 and minus 9. Apply. Go for minus 7, minus 7 and minus 7, right? This is a 9 feet, right? Simply go to change into 7 feet by 7 feet. Apply. Now it's see automatically it's created, right? Earth beam or grade beam. Then how to create the overall? Simply click this, all of us. Is control and click this all beams, right? See this. Then go to properties. Then our minus 7 feet, right? Then this also minus 7 feet. Then apply. This automatically it will be created, right? Then this all of us there, right? Simply click this and click this, right? Then go to properties, right? Then minus 7 feet, then minus 7 feet, right? Apply. So it's see automatically it will be created, right? Sorry, some of us some difference is height is there, so no problem. Now it's see automatically it will be created the height difference, right? Then how to create the main beams? Simply go to structure, then go to beams, right? Then go to beams and then go to same line. I change the property size, right? Width is a 1, the depth is a 1 feet 6 inches, right? 1 feet 6 inches. Simply click this OK. I created the main beams 1 feet 6 inches. See this automatically put the center to center, right? This center to center, this center to center, this center to center, this center to center. Go to view 3D. Now it's simply created our the size, see this size. Sorry, I forget the duplicate option. Yeah. Sorry, I forget this duplicate option. Give this duplicate means simply change the size one of us, right? Simply go for site, right? I created this simply only one beam. Simply go for structure, then go to beams, then go to properties. Then I create the duplicate. My beam size is a 9 inch into 1 feet 6 inch, right? Okay. I changes my beam size 1 feet 6 inch, right? Okay. Then go to line, right? See this point and this point. Yeah. You go to view 3D. This automatically our beam size is the 1 feet 6 inches. Our grade beam size is the 1 feet. See this different. This is the main thing for duplicate option, right? Give the duplicate, give the change the different sizes of your beams, right? Okay. Simply go to, yeah. Now itself I simply created the concrete footing, columns and beams, right? Then how to create the slabs, right? How to create the slabs and how to opening the slabs also, right? Then I created a structural element footing, beam, column, right? Then how to create the slab also, right? Then slabs. The 7 feet is an approximate size only. So you calculated, analyze your full building, then go for height, right? I take the 7 feet. There you go to structural design, so many concept is there. I take the whole classes. So I simply assumption to take the 7 feet height, right? Okay. Then I simply take the slabs. How to create the slabs, right? I simply go to side view, then I create the slabs. Then go to structure, then go to floor, floor structures. So no problem. Simply go to floor structure, then go to rectangular, right? This is a one slab. Then this is a one slab, right? This is a one slab, and this is a one slab, right? Then go to finish. Sorry, some problem. I create a one by one, right? Yeah. Go to rectangular, create this. So on slab, right? Go to finish. See this. Simply go to view, then 3D. This automatically it will be created the concrete slabs, right? Then this slab is there, right? Simply go to structural, same floor, structural, right? Structural, then go to rectangular, then I created the another slabs, right? Finish, right? This is the same method to following the creation of the all slabs and beams, right? All slabs and beams. This is the main concept for your buildings, right? Then next one is a, yeah, okay, fine. Now itself I completed the concrete footing itself, then like a grade beam, and another one is main beam, slabs, etc., right? I simply created the slabs all of us, right, in our building, right? Then how to create the loads and analyze in our Revit, right? Simply acting on the loads, etc. Then analyzing is a robot structure software, is the different software, right? Robot structure software. Okay. Then the first part is the recline forming. Then I formed the footing, column, beam, slab, etc. Right. Our structural element part is completed. Then how to create the loads and supports for your buildings, etc. Right. The first part is over. The structural part, I give the structural element, all of us. Next part is the analyze, right? Next part is the analyze. You go to analyze, simply go to first one is the analytical. This is the analytical condition. This is our boundary conditions, right? This is the boundary condition. Load, load case, load combination. You go to boundary conditions, you have all the boundaries. Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah, is a boundary condition. Simply go to analyze. Simply go to first one is a boundary condition, means you give the supports, etc. The next one is the loads. You give the live load, dead load, or any load for your building. See this automatically. Is the loads is there, line load, area load, all of us is there. Next one is the Next one is the load cases. You go to any loads like a wind load, snow load, another load, and load combination also, right? I will tell about tomorrow itself how to give the loads for your buildings, right? How to give the loads and others, etc. Then how to analyze your in robo structure, right? Okay. Next, I create the simple model, right? Then I create the simple model, concrete model. How to take the estimation for this quantity and estimation for your this framed structure, right? Simple. I need the 500 meter cube concrete for my building. How to calculate the 500 meter cube? Simply you calculated the volume of this beams, columns, etc. Right? I tell you how to calculate the volumes for your beams, columns, rate also, right? Then that is a schedule option is there. Schedule option you will be calculated the all the estimations and quantities also, right? Okay. How to calculate means simply go for view option, right? Simply go for views. Sorry. Simply go for Yeah, simply go for view option, then go to schedules, right? Then go to schedules and schedule and quantities, right? Then go for schedule and quantities. Simply click this. This is the main option to calculate the any walls, floors, roofs estimation. All of this, you will take this schedule also. Floor tiles, reinforcement details, and walls areas. All of this, it will be calculated as a same structural element. The walls calculated how many bricks you needed. Any will be you calculated in this schedule, right? Uh, but I have one YouTube channel. It's a 34 videos in Revit, but it's in Tamil only. You will be refer means you refer this. I send this link for this all the groups. You will be refer and easy to calculate the all the things, right? Okay. Now I calculated the volume of the all the footings, right? How to calculate the volume of the all the footings? Simply go for structural, right? The structural foundation, right? Simply click this structural foundations, right? Structural foundations, give OK, right? Structural, this is our schedule properties one by one. A structural foundation, first of all I need the area of my footing, right? This is my area of my footing. Simply take this to this place, right? Next one is I need the cost, right? Then I need the thickness of my footing, right? Width of my footing and the volume of my footing, right? Width, okay, right? That's all right. Then how to calculate? Simple. I will take the area, cost, volume, and width of my footing only. Then how to calculate the cost of my footing concrete? Simple. You calculated the volume, easily calculated the cost like that, right? You simply call. I need 5 meter cube concrete for my footing, right? You simply told to RMC 5 meter cube. 1 meter cube concrete is 18,000 meter, 18,000 1 meter cube of concrete. Simply you will be volume into 1,800. You simply sorry 18,000. Simply calculated the total cost for your building, right? Okay, I will be tell how to calculate. First of all, I simply take the area, cost, volume, width, right? Simply give okay. Is automatically sorry. So, okay, area will be not a problem. The simply you see this volume. Our volume of the concrete is automatically 2 feet by 2 feet into automatically you will be calculated, right? Automatically our volume of the footing is 0.11 meter cube, right? What is the cost? my total cost, how to calculate the total cost of my footing, right? How to calculate the total cost of my footing? Simply go to same procedure, right? Simply go to view, go to create schedule, right? Schedule and quantities, then go to structural foundation, right? Simply click this. I need a area, a cost, and I take volume only. Volume into cost, you will be easily calculated the total cost of the footing, right? How to calculate the formula in Revit means simply go for FX. This is a calculator for your Revit scheduling, right? Simply click this FX. This is a formula table. I find the total cost, right? Total cost, right? Simply go to discipline is a common, then you will be change the type, you will be change the volume, right? You will be change the volume. The first one is a total cost, this is a type is a volume. Formula, simply click this cost, click this into, shift in your keypad into volume, right? Simply click this volume. Okay, this is our formula. Click okay. See this, automatically our total cost, right? See this, simply I give okay, but the total cost is empty, right? I simply enter my cost 18,000, simply give enter. Yes, this automatically our total cost is 20,000 8, sorry, 2038 rupees 81 per meter cube, right? See this, automatically provided the cost, automatically it will be taken, right? How to add the total cost? Simple. This, I take the column. This time I take the column. Simply go for column, right? Okay. Simply go for any the cost also, and then go for volume, right? You need volume only. You will be calculated total cost of your building also, right? Then formula. I need the total cost, right? Total cost. I'm going to simply go to volume, right? Our formula is cost into volume, right? Cost into volume. Click OK. Then how to add the totals, full totals? Simply go for shorten and groupings, right? Shortening and groupings. First one, click this total cost, right? Click this total cost. Then go to grand totals, right? Go to grand totals, totals only, right? Grand, this is the total cost. The totals only. Then formatting, go to total cost, right? Automatically it will be change horizontal. Then calculation, calculate totals, right? Simply go to total, sorry, total cost, calculation totals, right? I need the volume also, I need the total. Simply go to calculate totals. See this, volume and total cost also. Simply click OK. See this, automatically our total volume of our column is 1.41 meter cube. The what is the difference between 0.13, 0.13? Sum of us 0.1616. The sum of us 0.23. I differ the column height, right? You will be differ automatically. It will be changed in schedule also, right? Automatically our column volume is 1.41 meter cube. Total volume of the my column is 1.41. Then rate of the column, I need a 1 meter cube is 18,000. I need all columns are same rate. My total cost of our column is 25,331 rupees. My total cost of the concrete, right? Now it's simple, easily calculated total volume of your concrete column and volumes, sorry, cost also, right? You calculated everything. You will be calculated the beam, slab, etc. You will be simply calculated the in this portions, right? In this simple portions. Now understand. Automatically you will be calculated the slab means simply go for create schedule and quantities, right? You go for I need a slab quantities. Slab. So after I tell you how to calculate the slab estimation and qualities also, right? This is a basic thing for estimating the your estimation of your quantities and other slabs, etc., right? Then how to calculate the reinforcement detailing for your building automatically. The two option in Revit, you calculated the manual reinforcement also, automatic reinforcements also in our building, right? How to calculate the automatic reinforcement for our footing, beam, column, etc., right? That is a simple way to calculate your footing reinforcement, etc., right? Okay, fine. First of all, you see this how to create the framed structure. Then you go for create the estimation also, right? Quantity for our volume of your meter cube, concretes, beams, etc., right? Then how to find the reinforcement for this beams, columns, right? Simple. The two methods are there. One is the normal method, you put the inside one by one. Another method is directly download the plugins. You go to directly download the plugins, right? There's the extension. The extension is a auto disk extension. This is a Revit, the reinforcement detailing, automated reinforcement detailing, right? I simply click this spread footing, right? I need this reinforcement detailing. Simply go to extension, auto disk, go to reinforcement, right? My this is spread footing, right? I simply click this spread footing. It's loading. Sometimes it will be hang. So wait for once again. I insert the all the bars. Wait, first of all, I insert my all the rebars in this Revit rebar shapes. First of all, I insert the reinforcement detailing in. Once again, yeah, first of all, I insert my rebar shapes in library to Revit software. Right, one by one, it's installing. Then go to your extension tool easily to calculate the rebar shapes in beams, columns, slabs, etc., right? Now itself is updating from library to Revit, right? We will be simply calculated the rebar shapes also in Revit, right? Is updating on all the things, rebar shapes. Yeah. Now itself all the libraries are start, right. Then go to extension. First of all, I select this element, right. Then go to extension or to this reinforcement, right. I need a spread footing, right. Simply click the spread footing. Yeah, this is our dialog box. Simply this is our footing size, right? Then go to bars. I need a bottom bars, top bars. Simply change it. Already you know that how to change the sizes, right? I need a 10 bars, 10 mm dia, right? I need the 10 mm dia. Same like that, right? Top bars. I need the top bars also, right? 10. This is also 10, right? I change the spacing distance, double bars, or anything, right? This any shapes, right? Then give simply this is a final shape, right? Step. Then go to simply give OK. Yeah, it's our problem is something has been high length, so there is some problem, right? Is the automatically it will be created the same things, right? Simply go to extension, click this spread footing, right? Spread footing. I simply click this OK automatically. You will be change the any direction, you will automatically give the perfect detailing, right? This automatically you reduce the sizes also, will automatically we will be create the correct dimensions, right. I have some dimensions is not inaccurate, so you simply this is one method. You simply created the reinforcement detailing for your column beam slabs. I have to create simply for columns. Simply click this, go to extension, go to reinforcement columns, right. This is a column bars. I need a bars, right. How many I need a 16 bars. Simply go for sometimes you insert into 16 mm bars or other bars, right. Stirrups. Then simply click double bars. Give OK. If this automatically it will be created like that, right. Column reinforcement detailing. You take the cross section also. You measure the cross section. How to take the cross section means simply click this side view, right. Simply click this side view. This is our reinforcement detailing. How to take the section means simply go to view. Simply go to create. Simply go to section. Right. I simply cut this section to this section, right, to this side. Then go to section, click this. See this automatically our section will be visible, right. See this top reinforcement, bottom reinforcement, and column reinforcement also. See this automatically it will be easy. Once you design, will automatically will be provided detailing also in Revit, right. One is you created the concrete beam columns. Tomorrow we'll discuss about how to analyze load, how to give the load in Revit also, and analyze in robot structure, how to take the result also. Right? This is one of the how to take the detailing in Revit also. Right? This is one. You can take the all the detailing. Simply go for is the right beams, continuous footing, parapet, pile cap, retaining walls, slabs, corners. You will be take the all the detailing. Simply you will be create the all the detailing parts in this Revit, right? Okay. Now understand how to create the simple grid lines and how to create the beams, columns, and footing. How to create the simple estimation for your concrete beams, columns, slabs, etc. Then how to create the simple reinforcement auto method. Go to you download the tool in Autodesk app website also. Free. Using Student Vision, it's a free. Go to extension, then go to using this tools, right? Simply you will be detailing is a some tough in AutoCAD, right? The review it is a too easy. Simply you will be create the detailing. You give the parts also. I will tomorrow will tell about how to give the detailing sheet also. How to take the detailing sheet, other than etc. Right? Okay. Okay, fine. Today now is I completed class now itself. Any doubt? Ask me directly. It's no problem. Bro, how to calculate the development length of the rebar? Yes, ma'am. You automatically go for this option is there, ma'am. In detailing process, right, or calculation process? Both. Calculation process means as per SP6034 code book is there. You refer the all the detailing, the SP34 code book for all the detailing is there. Otherwise you go for reinforcement detailing means you go to beams, columns, you simply click this, all the values are there. You say once you manually calculated, then you put the same value for this.